Alright, so for everyone who's been following along at home, the Golf-Kart is now at stage 2. It's had intercooler, downpipe, catback exhaust, big brake kit, LSD, front LSD, rear LSD still coming, uni-clutch, track clutch put in. We've got an external oil cooler on, stage 2 tune, adjustable coilovers, and a bucket of other stuff. Air intake, bits and pieces. So we're at the kind of fine-tuning stage. Now we're going to be looking at sway bars. So here is the stock rear sway bar. This is the GTI version, so this is a 26mm rear sway bar GTI, 26mm front sway bar GTI. This is the R sway bar that we'll be putting on the front up next. That's 28mm for the front. And on the rear to date, we have put a 26mm rear. So at our last tarmac rally, we had a lot of understeer issues. Car drove really, really well, but the usual golf thing that everyone talks about to start off with is understeer. So we're going to start with the rear sway bar to really tighten up that front end with the hope that it gives before the front does. Having put it on already and just done a little bit of aggressive street driving locally, I can tell that it already does make a big difference. So we've got a track day tomorrow. We're going to be doing some testing out on this rear sway bar first, then we'll put the front sway bar on as well so that we can get some really good subjective testing happening. So stay tuned for more. Right, it's 4:30 in the morning. It is cold and wet. We are starting the road trip to Winton. Car's loaded up. Time to see if we can beat a Hyundai Excel.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again.
You wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends.
2 hours later.
It is a stunning day out here at Winton. Absolutely perfect conditions. There's a buttload of Hyundai Excels here, so my quest to see if I'm faster than the Hyundai Excel, we'll see how we go. So we've got the new catch can set up. We're going to see if that stops our oil surge issue. Taking the wets off, we've got the dry 8009s on, and we are ready to rock. This is what you need for a track day: bit of tools, spare set of tyres, jack, ratchet gun, petrol, oil, jacket, gloves, helmets. So we're doing the rear sway bar. So we put a bigger rear sway bar on at the moment. We're just testing the rear today. We'll do the front for another track day. We had massive understeer issues at the last tarmac rally. In really hard cornering, the front just didn't want to get in. So we're hoping this is going to change the balance of the car. We'll let you know how we go. session down. Turns out I'm a pretty shit driver. But that's why we're here, to try to learn. Car's running really well. Tyres could be better. I'm on the Advan A09s. Probably should have gone the AO50s. Anyway, next time, they're a bit more expensive. Best lap so far, 145. Let's see if we can beat it.
One hour later.
Okay. Wrap up. Best lap time, 1:43. I can already hear my old mate Damon from Geelong Motorsport Fab giving me shit. Could not beat the XLs. What's my excuse? I wasn't happy with my tyres. I got to go back to Yoko AO50s. These 8009s just seem to lose. Maybe I've used them too much in rallies and stuff. They just seem to lose their grip. Everything else went really well. New sway bar, perfect. New catch can, perfect. Yeah, my driving, not so perfect. Had a little bit of a runoff into some grass and then trying to come back in. I've pretty sure I've probably... Oh, baby. Krakatoa. How's the crack? But anyway, as always, lots of fun. Lots more improvement to be done, but that's all right. We have the willpower, we have the energy, so stay tuned for more.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again.